this section of my video, we will be going through the concept of propagation of errors in product quantities. In the earlier section, we have gone through the concept of summation, that is addition, as well as subtraction of physical quantities. In this concept, we will be going through the product of two quantities. It is of topic of chapter number 2 NCERT class 11. So let's go through the illustration and the concept while you are making a product of two quantities. Again, let us start with, you are having two physical quantities or two values A and B, and X is representing their product. Therefore, I am writing X equals to A multiplied by B. Let this be equation number 1. Again, the same thing, del X representing absolute error in X, del A is representing absolute error in A, while del B is representing absolute error in B. As we all know that while you are performing any kind of operations, the errors are being added into the main values. Therefore, modifying this equation along with the errors, we have X plus minus del X is equals to A plus minus del A, B plus minus del B. Simplifying it and proceeding forward, taking out X common, taking A common from this concept, taking out B common, so as you can observe, we have just simplified this equation, and after simplified we have substituted the equation in this form. As you can observe that AB is equal to the value X from equation number 1. Hence you can observe that X and AB will get cancelled. Again, moving forward, del X by X is equals to, we have 1 plus minus del A by A multiplied by 1 plus minus del B by B. Multiplying the equation, 1 plus minus del A by A plus minus del B upon B plus minus del A by A del B by B. Again, 1 and 1 gets cancelled. What do we have? Plus minus del X by X is equals to plus minus del A by A plus minus del B by B plus minus del A upon A into del B upon B. Now, as this represents the final simplified expression, if you observe this expression, we will observe that these values del A by A and del B by B, if we will put a values onto this position, we will get a very small values. Such small values can be neglected. Therefore, if we neglect the value del A by A and value del B by B, we have an expression plus minus del X by X is equals to plus minus del A by A plus del B by B. In this way, or you can say this is the relation which helps us in calculating the errors while you are making a product of two physical quantities. Again, we are neglecting these two values. The reason is that the product of these two values will yield a very small value. Hence, we have neglected these two values. and giving us a final expression del x by x is equals to plus minus del a by a plus del b by b. Help us in calculating the value of error, that is del x, while you are multiplying the two values. I hope you have understood this topic well. Thank you.